Hello friends, peace be upon you. In front of an image, we have given golden touch on skin of this model. If you see before then after, you will see a slight difference. And this touch, we have given with a trick. Let's get started. If you look at this image, the colors are dull. So, first we adjust its colors. Create a level adjustments layer. Press Alt and click on Auto. And check Enhance per channel contrast. Then hit OK. In this way, the colors of the image are enhanced. Select the two layers, and press Ctrl+E to merge them. As many colors as there are in this image. And as many channel colors as RGB and CMY. First, we will balance all these colors. Create a gradient map layer for this. And the gradient we have to choose is black to white. Gradient map in Photoshop applies colors to an image based on its luminosity. Then hit OK. Select the mask thumbnail. Go to Image, and choose Apply Image. Layer is merged. Channel is RGB. Blending is Multiply. And opacity 100%. Then hit OK. Now, check by disabling and enabling the upper layer. All the colors in the image have been balanced. Now create a layer of solid color. Create layer in any light color. Change its blend mode to soft light. We will place the golden skin color palette here. Let me tell you where to get this palette. Palettes in Photoshop are essential, customizable, and draggable windows. Such as layers, color, swatches, or images. Go to Google search and search for golden skin color code. There are many palettes. So, whatever palette you want to download. Open it in a new tab. And save this palette in your computer. And after that, you can open here. By double-clicking on the layer, I choose the middle color. After selecting it, click on OK. Select the mask thumbnail, and invert it by pressing Ctrl+I. Pick Brush Tool. Mode is normal. Opacity is 100. Flow 100 and smoothing 10%. Make sure foreground color is set to white. After that, start painting on the image. The color we hid from it. We have to reveal that color with the help of brush tool. You should spend your time well for this work. And on areas we don't need this color, as the original color of the eyes and lips can reveal. Reduce its opacity to 50%. Or up to 55%. Now look at before, then after. I think 50% opacity is good. Now, any skin tone can be changed. Open the color picker by double-clicking on the solid color layer. If you select a dark color, the dark shade will appear. And selecting light will change the skin light color. If I keep it a little dark here, it is the second dark color. Its hex code will look up. It is C68642. Then hit OK. Now look at the image, before and after. You will see that the golden color has been applied. This is before, then after. In this way, we can adjust the skin tone of the image. And if you want to do dark color or light color according to your own will. So, with the help of a trick, we changed the skin tone. First we enhanced the colors of the dull image. Then with the gradient map layer, we balanced all the colors. And then we applied this skin color. This is a very easy method that does not require much effort. Hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and thanks for watching.